Hi guys, I'm Dr. Rajat and with me I have a very special patient today. He's Mr. Sharil. He's from Malaysia and he's a medical student who came here for his dental implant surgery. And I would just like to, first of all, Sharil, welcome to India. And I would just like to say that you just got your implant surgery done here. How was your experience and what do you have to say?
Once again, my name is Shai. I come from Malaysia. So, a brief history about myself. I have a dental bridge which is old. So, it's more than 10 years. It's loose and it needs to be replaced. So, dental implant, is a lifetime dental restoration for missing teeth. So, it's very important for me to find a dentist that can deliver the implant right and correct at the first time, because it's going to last you for a lifetime. So the reason why I came here is because I couldn't find dentists in my country who do the implant I cannot find a dentist that I don't know which dentists have experience, so it's difficult to visit each of them.
Yes.
And luckily in YouTube I found Dr.Rajat. He shares a lot of knowledge, a lot of educational videos about implants in his YouTube video, and he shares about his work. And I find to know that he also teach a lot of dental students about implant, and this make me confident that he is the right dentist I should visit, because I should find a dentist that specializes in implant. So I specifically plan my travel specifically here, come here to meet Dr. Rajat for implant, nothing else, just come here for implant. So, I just finished my implant for my lower jaw. It was actually a great experience, very fast. I thought it's gonna be like 1 or 2 hours, but actually lasts, I think, 30 minutes.
Yes, 30 minutes.
Yeah, no pain at all.
Basically, it's the most of the time goes in planning. Then we went ahead with the scans, and it was a guided surgery, so went pretty well, and we were able to execute and give him the best results possible. And so Sharil, you said it right that we need to have a lot of educational videos. We need to promote it in such a way that it should go out to many people, right? Yeah. So what is your criteria to choose a dentist, and why you choose us?
Okay, so as I said before, implant will last you lifetime if done correctly.
Yes.
On the first place.
Yes.
So my criteria of choosing an implant is, first, what is the brand, the type of the implant, and the second one is who is the dentist that
the experience.
The experience. So I myself have consulted like more than 10 dentists, both in my country and also all over India. I got different opinion, and then Dr. Rajat actually is the only one who actually mentioned about this straumann BLX. And then when it's actually a very easy and very accessible information you can find on the internet. I compared each different brand of implant, and I found that straumann BLX is good in all cases. Especially in my case, I just did a jaw surgery back then 3 months ago, so my jaw is still like healing process, and I believe that straumann BLX is suitable in my case.
Yes, perfect.
And then the second part is choosing the right dentist that can do your implant. Of course, in my country, there's a lot of dentists that say that they do implant, but my question is how long, how many years their experience
yes.
So it's very difficult because they don't share their experience in social medias. I think nowadays, if you use the social media right, like you share a good thing, educational videos, it's actually can help people. Like what Dr. Rajat do in his YouTube video, he teaches
the nuances of
about dentistry, especially the implants, and this actually gives me confidence that Dr. Rajat actually have enough and specialized experience in implant. And also she's doing this straumann BLX, which is the implant I just discovered that's suitable in my case, which is I have like some bone loss and just did the jaw surgery. So that's why I travel here specifically to India, Delhi. I don't have anything else other than doing implant here. So
next time you have to plan your travel for a few days here, not only for implants. I must say, you need to travel to long places once you recover well. So being a medical student, do you have any message to the viewers who are watching this video? Any takeaway message from you as per your experience?
Yeah.
Since we belong to the same fraternity?
Yeah. So my advice is when you have some problem related to your health and you want to find a solution, you want to find a treatment, my advice is you should do your own research.
Yes.
Find your doctors that specialize for that particular specialization. So in my case, I'm looking for implant. So I want to find a dentist that experienced in doing implant. So the dentist I found is Dr.Rajat, he's India. If you want to get some things that's the best for you, even you need to travel, my advice, travel. Just travel to find the right doctors for your case. Yeah.
So that is so nice and so beautiful to exchange good ideas and to get the testimony from him. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब अच्छे ideas और एक ऐसी टेस्टिमनी जो बाहर के पेशेंट्स आते हैं तो बहुत सारा प्यार देते हैं आपको। तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ हम लोग एक वीडियो के माध्यम से लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं, एक एजुकेट करना चाहते हैं और बताना चाहते हैं कि डेंटिस्ट्री अगर हम डिजिटल डेंटिस्ट्री को अगर हम प्लानिंग से करें तो एक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड केसेस भी आप आसानी से कर सकते हैं। सुबह भी हमने जो सर्जरी की थी उसमें मैंडिबल बहुत कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ था, पेपर थिन मैंडिबल था, हमने इम्प्लांट प्लेस किए, इमीडिएट लोडिंग थी। तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब डिफरेंट केसेस करते हैं और उसको अच्छी तरह से प्लान करके हम एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं। तो एक थ्रो अवे मैसेज सिर्फ यही रहेगा व्यूअर्स के लिए जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं कि अपना रिसर्च, इम्प्लांटोलॉजिस्ट चुनने का जो तरीका है वो है एक्सपीरियंस, कितने इम्प्लांट प्लेस किए हैं, कौन सा सेंटर है, कितना इक्विप्ड है और आर्मेंटेरियम क्या यूज़ होता है और कितने तरह के इम्प्लांट्स होते हैं। तो शरील जैसे और भी पेशेंट्स जो आते हैं बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब उनके फीडबैक्स, अच्छे फीडबैक्स मिलते हैं, ऑनेस्ट फीडबैक्स मिलते हैं, तो वो एक अपने आप में एक अच्छा एक एक्सपीरियंस है। और आई जस्ट फील दैट अगर एक प्रिसीजन, एक एस्थेटिक केसेस को अगर हम अच्छी तरह से किया जाए तो अच्छे सक्सेस मिलती है। तो अगर उन व्यूअर्स को जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं अगर कुछ भी इम्प्लांट्स के ज़रिए जानना चाहते हैं तो मेरा एक वेबसाइट है dentalimplantindia.co.in और हमारे नीचे दिए हुए यूट्यूब चैनल में भी सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और अगर कुछ भी सवाल है आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। हम ऐसे ही आपको इंस्पायर करते रहेंगे, ऐसे ही एजुकेट करते रहेंगे। और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया शरील फॉर दिस अमेजिंग वीडियो एंड आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू सी यू स्माइलिंग एंड हैप्पी। थैंक्स।
Thank you.